Atiku, my advice is this. You will be 81 years old in 2027. And you have been contesting for the presidency since 1993. This is the time for you to calm down and act like an elder. I appeal to you in the name of the Almighty Allah that you serve to take it easy and leave everything for posterity.
Former Deputy National Chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Chief Bode George, has advised former Vice President Atiku Abubakar to end his 31-year-long bid to be president. Noting that Atiku's bid to be president dated back to the year 1993, Bode George said it was high time the former vice president retire from such a contest, especially in the 2027 election. Addressing a press conference at his Ikoyi, Lagos office on Thursday, George urged Atiku to assume the position of an elder in the nation and leave his bid to posterity. To Atiku, my advice is this. You'll be 81 years old in 2027 and you have been contesting for the presidency since 1993. This is the time for you to calm down and act like an elder. I appeal to you in the name of the Almighty Allah that you serve to take it easy and leave everything for posterity, George said. George decried that the PDP was on the verge of crumbling because people uplifted their personal interest and individual ambition over national interest. He criticized the divisive, arrogant, haughty members of the party romancing the ruling All Progressive Congress, yet failed to defect from the PDP, describing them as cowards. Nigerians are angry and hungry. Instead of telling the APC the truth, some divisive, arrogant and haughty members are busy romancing the ruling party, and they are quick to refer to themselves as elder statesmen. Instead of instigating a crisis in our party, why are they not bold enough to defect to the APC? Do they really fear God at all? No member is big enough to hold the party to ransom, George added, particularly pointing to the crisis between Rivers State Governor Siminalayi Fubara and his predecessor, the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Nyesom Wike. George urged Wike to immediately cool off from wanting to bring down Fubara. George said it was worrisome that some party members, rather than bringing the two parties to mediation, further fueled the Fubara-Wike crisis for their selfish interests. My advice to Wike is very simple. You are my political son. I am therefore appealing to him to cool off immediately. I know he was injured by friends during the last PDP presidential contest, but I am advising him as a father to please take it easy. Nobody is bigger than any party. Forget what has happened in the past and let's work together in the interest of this party. I want to ask the elder at the ends of affairs of our party today, what exactly is the offense of Governor Siminalayi Fubara of Rivers State? What exactly is the offense of this gentleman that some elders of our party are trying to throw him under the bus because of political expediency? What exactly is going on that some party members don't feel bothered about the happenings in Rivers State? Governor Fubara was helped by Governor Wike to become the #1 citizen of the oil-bearing state. The governor himself acknowledged this on several occasions. George emphasized that the PDP cannot continue like this, saying why can't we learn from our past mistakes? Is our party jinxed? Why can't we tell all these troublemakers to go and sit down if they don't want this party to move forward? Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for more news updates.